Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to format objects in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner, or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. Also, if you're interested in watching, we already have a beginner's guide on how to use Google Slides, in which we tackle about the different features and functions and the basic features that you can do here in Google Slides and other Google softwares such as Google Docs and Google Sheets. Now, without further ado, let's get started in the tutorial itself. Before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser or the Google Chrome you are using, whether you are in Mac OS or Windows like me, is completely up to date. And this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way. Now, when it comes to formatting objects, you can format, let's say for example, text box and shapes or lines, in which we have already created a tutorial about. Now, to format an object, you can add border lines, you can change the dashing in border line. Let's say for example, you want the border to be dotted, you want to change the border color, and many more. Now, for the first one, I will show you how to do it in text boxes, and it's actually the tutorial whether you are going to do it in text box and shape is actually quite similar. To do it in text box, you just need to click on the text box that you would like to edit its format of, and then head over to the format tab right over here in the upper panel of our screen. Click it once, and as you can see, it will drop down tons of options that you can choose from. And this is all going to affect the text box that we have created. Let's say for example, in text, if I want to make it bold, it will make it bold. Now, when it comes to alignment, if you want it to be centered, the text to be centered, you can do it as well. Now, you can adjust the line spacing. You can create a bulleted list directly from the format tab, and here you can change the borders. Let's say for example, I want it to have a red border that is thick. All I have to do is to change the border weight to, let's say for example, 4 pixels. And as you can see, it changes it as well right over here live. And then if I would like to change its border dash into dotted, you can do it as well. Now, when it comes to shapes, you just need to do the same thing that you have done in the text box. Head over to the format section and then go to borders and lines. Let's say for example, then change the border color here, and then change the border weight, and then change the border dash, like so. Now, if you would like to reset its formatting, you just need to click on clear formatting, or alternatively you can use your keyboard by hitting Ctrl plus backslash, and it should clear the formatting for you. When it comes to text, it will clear out the formatting, but it will not affect the borders that we have already created. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.